Hello students, uh, I will continue again my lesson on kinetic energy. So what is kinetic energy? Right? Basically, kinetic energy is actually energy which is being possessed or had by an object which is moving. Any object that is moving. It can be a car, it can be a bicycle, it can be an atom, it can be a box, it can be a rocket, it can be an aeroplane, it can be a stone falling down. As long as the object is moving, the object has kinetic energy. So a kinetic energy has a formula of as provided below, half mv square, where m is the mass of the object and v is the velocity of the object. Or it can be just speed of the object. As we know that energy is a scalar quantity. So the direction is not really important. So even though we are using v as velocity or speed, it won't matter much. So that is the formula for kinetic energy. Let us go through some examples for kinetic energy. Okay, what is the kinetic energy of 150 kilogram object that is moving at the speed of 15 meters per second? So according to kinetic energy, we know the formula is half mv square. So by substituting the values in, half times 150 times 15 square, you will get the energy as 16,875 joule of energy. Let's see the next example. An object has a kinetic energy of 25 joule and a mass of 34 kilogram. So how fast the object is moving? So in this example, you are given the energy and you are given the mass, and you are asked to calculate the speed of the object. So again, when you see the word kinetic, always apply the formula. So, and then substitute the values accordingly. So I have the value for energy, I have the value for my mass, but I do not have the value for my speed. Rearranging the equation, you have v square equals to 1.47, and then square root it, and you will get the speed as 1.28 meters per second. That would be how fast the object is moving if it has a kinetic energy of 25 joule. Let's see another example. An object moving at a speed of 35 meters per second has a kinetic energy of 1,500 joule. What is the mass of the object? So in this question, you are given the speed and you are given the energy. So you are asked about the mass of the object. So again, the word is kinetic energy. Use the formula, substitute in accordingly, and make m the subject and solve it. So you will get m as 2.45 kilogram. Another example, what is the kinetic energy of 1,200 kilogram of object that is moving with the speed of 24 meters per second. Again, kinetic energy, the formula is this. You substitute the values and you calculate the kinetic energy. So generally, kinetic energy is the energy which is had by an object which is moving. If the object is not moving, there will be no kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy will be equal to 0. I hope that this video has helped you. I hope it will give you a better understanding of kinetic energy. Thank you so much. I will see you again in the next lesson where it will be on gravitational potential energy. Thank you.